Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I don't even know how to start this video, to be honest, because I don't have my partner in crime, Adam. A lot of you guys have been asking me in my DMs, when am I gonna start my channel? So this is it. This is just everyday makeup routine. I'm gonna do my hair. It looks a hot mess, but yeah, I'm gonna do my hair too. And yeah, so I did want to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I use these Morphe brushes. I think they were around like 30 bucks or something. They weren't that bad. Right now, I'm just concealing my face, like concealing any blemishes I have. It's definitely around that time of the month, so I am getting a couple pimples. Nothing a little makeup can't fix. After I conceal my face, I kind of do it a little backwards. I'm actually gonna do my eyebrows now. I'm gonna lift you guys up a little bit. There we go. And guys, I need my eyebrows done, so don't be judging me. Well, I guess instead of giving you guys a full tutorial, I guess I'm gonna talk because this is a chatty get ready with me. I wanted to talk to you guys about things that are coming up. My beautiful cousin Bianca, oh I messed up. Cousin Bianca is getting married and that's exciting. So me and Adam are in a wedding. I have not been in a wedding in a long time, let alone Adam hasn't been to one at all. So this is pretty exciting because we're both in the wedding, so that's pretty dope. So yeah, I'm really excited about the wedding and everything. It really sparked some ideas in my head because me and Adam have been together for about 5 years and we basically know that we're getting married. So like all that fuss about like wanting to have like an engagement party and doing all that stuff, like I really don't think that's necessary considering that we've been together for almost 6 years. I definitely want to get married, especially before having kids. I want to get married at an earlier age because I don't know, we grew up with those values of getting married and things like that. So I feel like I'm taking 5 years on my makeup because I'm talking so much. Yeah, with that being said, me and Adam definitely want to plan to get married next year. Yeah, and I know you guys are saying like, what the heck, that's so quick, but I don't know, I don't really want a big wedding. So like if we just have something small, I want to have something like outside for sure, maybe like a destination wedding. I haven't really pinpointed like exactly what I wanted, but definitely be looking out for our wedding announcement or anything related to that, probably on our channel. I want a small wedding though. I don't want like a big wedding anymore. Just have like close family, close friends there and everything like that. So I definitely need my eyebrows done. This proves it because it doesn't even look that different. But anyways, I'm about to use my Morphe palette to do just a little bit of eyeshadow, just a teeny bit. I just like a little color under my eyelids because you can see my veins very easily. I don't know what it is, genetics maybe, but I just like a little color sometimes. Literally that's it. You probably can't even tell on camera, but whatever. Now I'm about to do my foundation. I use NARS, some slight. I used to just spread it around my face like this. It's so crazy because the other day I went to the pool. Wasn't even planning to tan that much, but I was just kind of like, if it happens, it happens. I tanned pretty good. So my makeup looks a little discolored, as you can tell, but it's whatever. Yep, so we just blend that makeup on in. My favorite, shout out to Whitney for putting me on. This is Born This Way by Too Faced. When I tell you guys this is the best, I'll wait for a tumbler. When I tell you guys that this is the best concealer for under my eyes, me personally, my girl Whitney thinks so too, but this concealer is like everything. You definitely need it. It's so crazy because like I got to the point where I was doing the same makeup every single day, like even for special occasions, like the same makeup, not really anything special for like years in my life. And then one day, with a couple influences and help from my friends, I figured out, oh, my nose ring came out. It's definitely more to makeup. You gotta switch it up sometimes. Do a little something different. We're definitely considering getting married towards the end of August next year. So yeah, have like a little summer wedding. I feel like personally a wedding is just for like pleasing others. Like why spend so much money when you can just save your money for you and your husband? Like maybe for your honeymoon, you might want to do something special. Like why spend so much on a wedding ceremony and a reception when like it's only a picture in the end? Like you spent so much money when it could have been invested in your future kids or your house or like your car note or something like that. Like I really feel like I don't want to like spend that much. And it's so crazy because when I was younger, I definitely wanted to have a big wedding, but now I usually just spray water in my hair because I really don't like my hair getting tangled. So just spray it periodically until I'm done with my makeup. Keep it nice and moist. I think I'm gonna put my hair back in like a slick bun or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe this off. Me and Adam got out of the phase of wanting to have like a proposal and do things like that. So like I've always wanted to have Adam propose to me, and you know what, hopefully maybe in the future he does surprise me and propose, but like it's to the point where we've been together so long, like we don't really think we need to propose to each other because we know we're gonna get married. We talk about it all the time. Like it's not like it's something where it's gonna be like a total shock that Adam wants to marry me. So I mean, a proposal would be nice, but like it's not really something that's stopping me from planning my wedding. Like I'm gonna start planning, and if he wants to propose, he can. Hint, hint, Adam. But if not, like I'm not gonna trip over a proposal. Like seriously, I'm with the person I love. I don't really think it's necessary, but it would be nice. You guys know I love to keep photos and videos of special moments in my life, so it would be great to film that. So hopefully a proposal in the future. This has turned into a very quick get ready with me, I feel like. Well, not quick to me, but definitely probably quick to you guys, because like usually I go way in detail with my makeup, but right now I'm just kind of just putting on some. Adam is currently at work, so I don't really know what we have planned today, but just in case, put a little makeup on. Maybe me and Adam will do a couple videos for our channel because we haven't posted in 2 weeks, so I think it's time for a video on our channel. But other than that, not too many other life updates for me. I've just been chilling, just getting my apartment together. You guys know, last October, I moved in my first apartment. So just other than that, just getting everything together. I'm still working on getting more furniture, you know, just little cute little decor things. I want to get a nice big canvas to go over my couch in the living room and things like that. So it's definitely a work in progress, but it's getting done. I feel like my hair gets crazier and crazier as this video goes on. Like seriously. Yeah guys, this is a quick makeup because I feel like I'm kind of distracted because I'm trying to talk to you guys and do my makeup at the same time. Like I'm not used to this. I use this on the daily. This is a blush by Milani. I literally love this blush. I have my new bronzer that I just bought in a plastic bag because these things are made cheap and they don't open and close too good, and eventually they snap. Let me know guys, comment below if this happens for you, because I can't be the only one because it really irritates me. Then I put a dash on my nose. Just gonna blend. Now, only thing to do is my hair. So yeah, I'm trying to do this little natural look. I do this once every summer, but yeah, it is very convenient because like, I really don't like straightening my hair all the time. Like, I know you guys can probably relate. All my girls out there, it is so annoying. So I'm just gonna do like a middle part and just put it back in a ponytail, literally. Just gonna brush it on back. Sounds like I'm biting into an apple. The first step in doing my little ponytail, I just make sure it's nice and combed out all around my head before I put it in the ponytail, because I want to make sure that it's no humps or anything because it's so thick. So yeah, I just do that. Then I put it in a little ponytail like so and do my edges. Oh yeah, quickly before I do my edges, I wanted to share with you guys what I do when I wash my hair. I use Aussie Moisture, wash it, condition it, and then I use this. This is Cantu, it's like a leave-in conditioner. I like adding this because it really makes my hair soft. I like mixing this with some organic coconut oil I bought from my local Aldi's. Speaking of which, I need some more. This container is almost gone. Because I like my hair feeling soft and like moisturized. Sometimes I lack that when I wear my hair at its natural state. So yeah, I just like using this and coconut oil. And of course, I can't leave out this right here. This is the best thing you could ever have in your life. If you don't have this, you need to get it. So what I do now is I kind of just use like an average toothbrush, okay? I scoop a little bit and then I just kind of add it like this. I like to make sure my part is very like slick. So usually I just add it to my part like this. Then I add a little more and just go along my hair like this, literally. And just making sure it's nice and slick, because we definitely want this to be a slick bun, ladies and gents. So it should be slick like this. Then I grab this bad boy and I just make sure I smooth out whatever I'm about to do with my edges. Just so when I actually do my real edges, it'll all flow back good into the ponytail. Hence the reason why I put it in a ponytail first, so it can just look nice and slick. I'm gonna redo the ponytail still though. So yeah, it should look like this, nice and slick. Oh yeah, you guys, just a heads up, I make a very mad face when I'm doing my edges. So if I look like I'm angry, that's why. I just do swoop after swoop after swoop. Guys, I'm kind of pissed off too because I forgot where I put my rat tail comb. So I don't have a rat tail comb. So usually I use the rat tail comb because the teeth on it is very tiny and I can like swoop my edges real good, but it's doing good so far. But usually I grab the rat tail comb and swoop it and literally make my cowlicks that way. But if you don't have one, do like me. I guess this works too. And I just put it on like so. Definitely gotta keep the laid edges. If I don't do anything else, my edge is gonna be laid. That's how I do my edges. And I actually like this bun back here, so I'm just gonna keep it. Just let it be. All right, you guys, so I am finally done. This is the look of the day, I guess. I got my hair nice and laid, looking good. Only thing is, I need my eyebrows done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for my first official video. Please comment below any videos you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this video. If you guys want to see more videos like it, just let me know in the comments. Communicate with me. I will definitely get back with you. Right now I only got like 200 subscribers on here, so let's definitely pick that number up. I'll be doing more videos for you guys in the future. So subscribe if you're new and join the journey with me. All right, enough chit chat. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I'll see you in the next video.